the day, Pratiksha. We are here at Panjim at the Nanbai Bakery. Let's go inside and see what Nanbai Bakery has to offer.
Hot summer day, flying kites, drinking cold lemon water. All the young ones to play. We're home alone, there's no one to bother. You're like a fantasy. The sun makes your brown eyes turn lighter while you're with me. That's all I need. I'll be okay with a table fan if that's your plan. As it swings by you and me, I love it when you.
Today we are here at Nanbai Bakery. Thank you for inviting us here. This is Mr. Deepak and he'll tell us something about this place.
Basically, we started this on November, October something. This is the season. So we are famous for our dessert. Especially over here, and the area surrounding us.
Thank you, sir. This was very informative. I'm sure our audience would love to visit this place very soon.
Thank you so much. Can I serve you food on the table? So this is a chicken burger. There is a cheese filling inside a patty. So it's called a cheese brust chicken burger. So this one is a plain croissant and this one is a chocolate croissant. So this one is a chicken ham and cheese sandwich, latte and a chicken curry puff.
So this is a pistachio eclair.
I wish I could stop the motion just to get closer. You stay.
It's a perfect evening and we have the right amount of snacks to go with it. I mean, who doesn't love a perfect amount of coffee on a wonderful evening? Unless you're addicted to chai, of course. Had an amazing time at Nanbai today. If you're looking for a budget-friendly cafe, then Nanbai is where you should go.